In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. It's a very easy process, only takes about 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right where the driver's left foot would go right there's the primary hood release lever. Pull it lightly. Now in front of the vehicle, right by where the Toyota emblem is, see where I'm putting the one finger in there? Yeah, just put one finger in there, lift it up. And now we can open up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod. Grab the prop rod and we have to put this into the hole over there in the hood to support it. And now it's good, it's not going anywhere. Now once the hood is open, right there, that's the engine air filter air box. We have to get 2 clips off in order to access the filter, so let's get them off. One, and there's a second one, simply pull them back. Now that's the cover, we have to lift it right there. See, when you lift it, it's going to dislocate from those back hinges over there, and we'll deal with that later when we're putting it back. So lift up the cover, and that's the filter right there. Let's grab the filter, get it out. Now let's take a closer look at the filter itself. On the top side, that's the clean side, that's where the filtered air goes from. As you can see, it's clean. This filter's been in this car for a very long time. However, you can still see that the top part is clean and the bottom side, that's where the unfiltered air comes from. And all the dirt and all the particulates get filtered and stays there. So it gets clogged over time, and that's why we have to replace the filter. So get the new filter, put it in. As you can see, the filter is the same size from both the top and the bottom, so you can put it in either way. Get the filter in there. Now you see the hinges in the back there? Right there, there's one over there and the second one right over there. We have to be sure that they are in place. They should look just the way they do in the video over here. That's 1 and that's 2. After that, we can easily put the clips back on. Because if those hinges are not in place, then you won't be able to put the clips back on. The cover won't be back in place. It's just not right. So put the clips back on, and that's pretty much it. Now to close the hood, just push on the hood a little bit. Take the load off the prop rod. Get it out. Put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut.